Previously, I showed the Solidify modifier from the Blender Interop Workbench in FreeCAD with a simple cone-like shape. This cone-like shape, of course, is not as complex. So I thought, let's demonstrate with an actual 3D scanned mesh. So here is a 3D scan. And as you can see, it's much more complex than a cone-like shape. If I would show you the lines, you see that it has many faces. And as you can see from the text on the left, I already remeshed the shape before importing it into FreeCAD. Now I turned this mesh into a part, and I wanted to cut a section with the cube. So far, so good. That section can be cut. So now, on this shape, I want to have an offset, because this I want to create some connector for to use in some machine. Now as you can see, there's no 3D offsetted part here on the left in the tree. That is because if I select this and I choose 3D offset, we'll have to wait a bit, and perhaps I will cut out this part of the video. If it takes too long, this operation is going to fail. You already see that recompute failed here. There's no need for me to press this OK button, or I need to wait a bit longer for it to show a dialog. Well, why not just do it? You will see a message box pop up saying that the operation failed with some brep. API error. Here you see that the 3D offset operation failed. Alright, so this is not going to work. So therefore, because I wanted to have this offset operation in FreeCAD parametrically, I created this Blender Interop Workbench, and here you have the Solidify modifier. And it's not only the Solidify, actually. As you can see here, I already applied it, so we don't have to wait more in this video. You also see that remesh before is a value that we can change, which I'm not going to set to true now, because what we imported in the first place was already remeshed. But if it wasn't remeshed, then the Solidify modifier from this workbench can do that for you as well. And as you can see here, we do have a 3D offset now.